Badiklam is from today itself, the 5th of July to 8th. Badiklam this year, first we'll have to send an information to the government that the Badiklam festival of Saint Rajwai is from 5th to 8th. So the government gave the direction to the political department, and then from the political department send it to Deputy Commissioner to call us and to brief us what we are going to do. Then on the very day, we have already briefed the Honorable Deputy Commissioner of West Jandil District in connection with the observation of Saint Rajwai for this coming festival. Government advised us to prepare the program of the Badiklam festival at par with the SOP of the government. It takes about 2 weeks from the day in which the government give us a direction. So we submit the SOP, Standard Operating Procedure of Badiklam Festival this year on the 24th of June. Next day, 25th, Government of Meghalaya send us the clearance of the Badiklam Festival. Then Deputy Commissioner of West Jandil District issued an order how to organize the Badiklam Festival this year at par with the government guideline. For the SOP we have submitted to the government, now it is an SOP of the Badiklam Festival in July. It is at par with the SOP of the government. So with a heavy heart, liberation of Badiklam this year, with the Right Unreachable, which was performed 3-4 months back under the guidance of our Deloitte, Paramon Ganji, Ulangdo, Upotor, Lengut Kisangot, Kimaji, Dhulia, Dharna, Wakalangdo, Librahi, Wakiprakur Prakamai, along with the elders of Saint Rajwai. So the Right Unreachable we have performed till yesterday. It is according to the wish of our Supreme Court, Uttarakhand. We all know that Badiklam Festival is the promise of each and every son and daughter of Saint Rajwai to offer dance to Uttarakhand for these 3 nights. But for this particular festival, only male will perform the dance, but the female, they are going to perform the Right Unreachable at home. The main responsibility of female is offering food to the ancestral, and all our family member already left us from this earth. So today is the last day of function to perform this ceremony of offering food to the elders. Actually, the Badiklam will start from today itself in the afternoon. That the Conrad, they will come along with the spiritual love. We call it Kasambot Khnong. But this year, no Khnong Balai, no Sambot Khnong, and no Daikram. We will perform only a prayer and kasut kachor. Next kami, wa upendep yoro ini kam hapo iman sen. Uchat ukumen hapo iman sen. Uwe ngo idem hai thao pachongnya ya ka Khnong Balai, ya ka Sambot Khnong, ya ka Daikram. Da kata kejengat ko ongi ka internal spiritual kawangai wa em hi ka Daikram, em hi ka Khnong Balai, em hi ka Sambot Khnong hai thao pachongnya eka. Dap ni tawa. Pendep iya ka chat ka kaman. Hapo iman sen mas ngai. Upangat upas nyau thoi. We have to move from Dorbar Snong to Dorbar Snong to brief the member of the different locality the way we are going to celebrate Bad Ikram Festival this year, because this is the year of crisis, the year of virus, the year of COVID-19, the year of Corona. Bad Ikram Festival is a religious annual state festival of Meghalaya as Saint Rajwai. This festival has connectivity with this present plague, because in the last 100,000 years we know that there is a plague in our Juwai town, in our district. Then Uttarakhand give us this important festival to drive or to chase this pandemic or plague. Kaklam kawada kare ubam do yakacai baru. But we are lucky for this particular year 2020. In the previous year, we are discussing, we are talking here and there about the plague. But this year, plague is with us. We can touch, we can see it. So now, it is the time to drive and chase it. Say thao, iwam em jeng im. Kaniga kalam, udo udam ko. Kita yaw, kibanay. Katukan ipor, hejo ipor. Lang ba ingo idem, isu je chor. Uyo iya kata ka vaksin, uyo iya dawai. Iwaw yeu penwer, ya kan ni kekejut. Kawada penki, kelang yai mansin mansngat. Yang wipawi, kinong chong chnong yang ka chnong juai, kinong chong chnong yang ka Giant Hills, ka Meghalaya, kari India, waka perthai warok kui. Hagan ni ka snem? With heavy heart, I request our friend far and near. But this year there is no chief guest, no special guest, no guest, no invitees, no audience, no foreign and domestic tourists. And from our different locality, our people, they are requested to stay at home. And our people, our friend far and near also, we request them to stay home. Let us pray together. Let us join hands together to pray to our Supreme God and our friends who believe in the other faith also, to pray their God, to save us, to protect us, and to defeat this COVID-19. So then, the world will be back to normal situation. Hejo ipor. Siyaw komen yung om. Waneliang ka sorkar. Lat wo pendep i yakani ke ritual. Ki ceremony ko per yang ka bedeng kalam. Kam tam kam man step kaski tomorrow. The 6th of July. We will offering. Kapuja ke ritual na benta ka sim ay nar. Nakakti yung upa deloy. Yo yete ida iker. Yo yete ikerchan. Yo ite chet ikia. Yo tram. Upungkut yo snem yo benai. Hai do hai peran yung ka sim ay nar. Cirup cilang. Wo deloy. Waki wasan. Waki prakur prakamay. Waki wehe wasyan nakachnong. Ki volunteers nakachnong. Kamjo naki Conrad. Wakile kni nikla ukni rangat nain dailang wakiwe hewasian yong ka Conrad wa putor wa sangat aswet wa pendep ya kan niam gerukam ha ido ipran yong kas em aina yo iya jing kerku iwa sarat tam to i chat on hi em kam ha partai ha kan ni ka po snyau komen open snyau chapik lo ki jor ki yo ya kan ni ka warta Ton ye kre langi. Ton ye em kti langi. Waga Saint Rajwai. Nay benta. Be ye kani kekejut. Kau pada kre ubam do. Ya kejai baru. em ke jingkermen ke scam hai kinong yalam yong ke sana juai kinaduk kinong yalam niam naduk pa de loy bagi prakur prakamai wagani ke kramu do udam ko ban de dep kan niam guru kom utan kanyos nem yo benai au lai ka chai thao iwam em jing iwok chai yu khia phi ki lok ki jor mem usau suk iwok chai du juai u chai yu khia ka district woro ko bi ka state woro ko bi hamakalia kari India woro ko bi ka parthai woro ko bi yo benai rong i that wa em ichnong juai iwe em kani ka festival ka wo be ya ka kram ka dai wa benai rong i that yong kani ka chnong ba khian tam ha parthai wa man step man ko bi ha ke snem ki wadawan ki bru na kaliang ki perlok na kalang ki riong ka parthai uyo ki yu ka umi ka ha ka map yong ka parthai wa em kani ka niam festival ka yong ka sana juai ko be ya ka kram ka dai kam tam kani ka kram ka wa i rap sendong kan ja i nadu i le khoi le chnger nadu wong man thu wo khak i nadu wo we changai no wi ho wi nadu wo sai ti yong i haman ka por hai jo i por karmen schema wa ka so dong so kun ka environment ka yong i u tha ju khia ka hadin yong kani ka kram ka wa charkai ha kani ka kublai chiboni pibro be de klam suk wa kamen yo ye chat ye khia langi yo ye ngo blai langi nei benta wo chat wo tram moro ki buru em ha parthai kublai chibon 6000